I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your personal information on your America Express account is straightforward. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Services tab in the menu. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile settings, find and select the Personal Information section. This is where you can edit your name, address, phone number, and email. Step 4. Make your changes. Update the necessary fields with your new information. Be sure to double check for any typos, especially in your email address, as this can affect account notifications. Step 5. Review and confirm. After making changes, review everything to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit or Confirm button to save your updates. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Updating your personal information is a simple process, and keeping your details current is important for account security. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to customer service. Happy updating!